Greetings from East Flat Rock, North Carolina. Well, we've got flooding here. The power's out. Some trees across the road. Whoa, and a lot of water. My flag's getting a good flying today. The news is saying don't travel, and all the roads are flooded. Now down in the park next door, they got some trees down. But it sure is wet, that's for sure. Got plenty of water coming off my trailer. Keep safe. Stay home if you can. I'm in North Carolina and there's a storm and, well, no power. And so I'm trying to use my cell phone, to do various things, YouTube and search the internet and things of that nature. But I don't have a data connection. And so I say, I need a better reception. So I got a signal booster, and so I went to get it, and I searched and I searched and I searched and I found it. And I plug it up, I get behind my computer desk and I find the cables, and then I plug it into the wall outlet, and it's not working, and I say to myself, why is it not working? And then I remember, no power. How stupid can you be? Well, any case.